All right, welcome back to Crypto Front. This is the front line where we are fighting together side by side for financial freedom. We want to be taking a look at the ICP price one more time because you can see that over the last 4 days or so, we've had decent price action. And I'm really glad that we got to this point because I think the community at some point did almost given up on ICP, but this is really great price action. So what we are seeing here on the daily time frame basically is that this whole thing was a wake of accumulation pattern, and now we've gotten to a point in which you're looking to break really straight away from there. Now, because we had a resistance right here, I expect the price to come back and backtest that resistance one more time. But before doing that, I think that we could be running all the way up to something like $15, then have somewhat of a pullback. So let me show you how that would look. We're using Fibonacci retracement tools again from the very top of this structure until the very bottom. You can see that the usual suspect here, the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, is sitting right around $15.30. So a quick run towards that level, maybe somewhat of a clean backtest of this resistance that we were having right around $12-11, and then off and away we are looking to break the resistance that we were setting back then in right around March earlier this year. So this is basically the play in the immediate short term. I think you can already tell and hear that I'm sounding very different, and the setup is looking a little bit different because I'm not on my usual setup, and I'm trying to get this message to you as soon as I can. So I want to kindly ask you to help me spread this video just by delicately tapping the like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm, and people looking for ICP Internet Computer price updates will now be able to find this video much more easily. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe because I do TA on ICP and a number of other different altcoins on a regular basis. And of course, we get it right more often than not. Now, when it comes to long-term price targets for ICP, this is actually looking very, very much optimistic. Let me try to explain that real fast. What we are seeing here is the ICP BTC pair. And you can see obviously that ICP has really been bleeding against the Bitcoin price. But it's now apparent that we have begun breaking the trend towards the upside. And we're actually doing it in a very nice fashion because this is looking more like a falling wedge, and you know they deal with falling wedges by their bullish patterns, meaning what we are looking to do here is to outperform Bitcoin immediate short term here for ICP with the minimum that I was showing you back I think on Friday, which was saying something like 250% here against the Bitcoin price. But there's an even better situation in which this whole thing that you are seeing here is also just another wake of accumulation pattern that the ICP price has been doing against Bitcoin. And long term, what the ICP price will be looking to do here is to continue pushing, right? You get back to the top of the trading range, you break out of that, have a nice backtest, and then off and away you continue going. This will be the ultimate bullish pattern here for the ICP price, considering that BTC is a very strong asset. If you're really going that strong against Bitcoin, be rest assured that against the dollar currency, I mean, you're doing even a fantastic job altogether. So that's where we are with the ICP at this point. But I know that probably you want to know about long-term price targets here. So I've been showing you this inverse head and shoulders pattern here on ICP, and it points to something like $112 billion in terms of market value, market cap of ICP. That will be somewhere around $220 for each ICP token. I think this is the best price that I can see the price is doing. As of now, this is my best price target for ICP. I know that some people have as high as something like $1,000, $80, $500, whatever the case. Everybody is going to know when to sell, obviously, their ICP. But as for me, I think that the fair value is right around $220. Am I only going to sell only and only when we get to $200? Probably not. I'm going to be selling along the way. Let me just share with you this news that our partners over there at Bluffin have. They've got this 10% cashback with deposits and stuff like that. So this is only valid for like the first 100 people to join using the link that will be down there in the description. So feel free to look at that. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one. Take really, really good care of yourselves. Bye-bye.